Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to change icon shape on this device with X Icon Changer app. So first we should just get the X Icon Changer app from the Play Store. That's why here in the search pull enter the X Icon Changer. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and then just select one from these available applications to change the icon. For example, we can go with this one. If you want to rename the icon, just the application, you can do that just by this way. I don't want to do that. Here we have just different folders with the icons. You can select one from these icons, or you can use photo from your device gallery, or also you can take a picture right now in camera application. So let's just go with the default these icons. I'll use this one, then just click here to OK on the right upper corner. Wait a couple of seconds. So just let's keep the ads here. And after that, tap to add to home screen, and now we can change the next icon by the same way. So let's just go back here to the home screen, and now we can see the new contacts icon here, and let's just see to the old one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.